Hi young builders, today we're building something super useful, so be sure to swing by HomCo to pick up the free Young Builders kit on the third Saturday of each month. This month we're making a wooden key holder. Have you ever seen someone searching everywhere for their keys? The project gives your family one special place to hang them when they get home. You can build your key holder here at HomCo or take it home and build it with your family while following along on your phone. Ready to get building? Let's go! In your kit, you'll find wooden pieces for your key holder, rope for the handle, 2 key hooks, nails, a hammer, and don't forget your grown-up helper. These pieces will come together to make your very own wooden key holder. First, lay all of your wooden pieces on the table. Now it's time to put everything together. With your grown-up helper, line up the wooden pieces and carefully hammer the nails into the place to build your key holder. Once all the wooden pieces are securely attached, make sure the rope handle is in place at the top of your key holder. Now it's really starting to look like a key holder. Next, ask your grown-up helper to help twist the key hooks into the front of your key holder. These hooks are where your family can hang their keys so they're easy to find before heading out the door. Nice work! Your project is almost finished. Now it's time to decorate. Paint it, add stickers, write your family's name, or decorate it with your favorite colors. Make it one of a kind so everyone knows it's your special creation. Great job, young builders! You just built your very own wooden key holder, a project your family can use every single day. We love seeing what you create. Ask your parents to take a picture of your finished project and tag us on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for building with us, and we'll see you next time.